Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to guide you through how to see card number on Hsbc app. It's important to understand that for security reasons, banks including Hsbc often restrict the full display of card numbers within their mobile apps. Instead, they typically show only the last 4 digits. Here's a general overview of what you can expect and where to find card information within the Hsbc app. Bank prioritizes the security of your financial information, so displaying the full card number within the app would increase the risk of unauthorized access. So typically, the Hsbc app will display the last 4 digits of your card number. This is often sufficient for identification process. So how do you get there? You log into the Hsbc app on your device, enter your login credentials, navigate to Account, locate the section that displays your accounts, e.g. credit cards and debit cards. Select the card, that is, choose a specific card you want to view. Then view the card details. Within the card details section, you should find information such as the last 4 digits of the last 4 digits of your card number, your available balance, and transaction history. But if you want the full card number, you will most likely have to refer to your physical card or contact Hsbc directly. It's important for you to note that the Hsbc app's interface and features may change over time. Ensure you have the latest version of the app. Also, please be cautious about sharing your card information. Only access your account through the official Hsbc app. If you have a specific question or need further assistance, contact Hsbc customer support. I hope this information is helpful to you.